So this is the product, my experiment product. Let's start to bake after 30 minutes of resting. This is the outcome. It's getting bigger. Yeah, and then I can put it now in the oven for 20 minutes. Fresh from the oven, my own version of milk bread, super toast. And then so good, so yummy. Look at that, guys. Ito na yung aking ginawa. Tinikman ko na siya. Ouch! Ayan o, ang init. Ang dami. Look at that. Ooh, ayan. Thank you so much.